So when
Hmm.
you go back a few hundred, even just a few hundred years, we weren't we go back a few thousand years. We weren't the dominant species. We were mid-tier sort of thing. But then we rapidly moved to the top of the tree. But when we were mid-tier, we needed a strong fear system. Like that was protective for us, that enabled us to survive. We then rapidly moved to the top, but we moved too quickly for us to evolve where that system was switched off. And so as a species, we have an overactive stress response in general. And so it's too easily triggered. And so now we get stress response from things that are basically benign. And so many people won't respond to the same thing the same way, but will be triggered by it. And we keep getting that sort of stress response because we moved up so quickly. And so now we need to find a way to mitigate that. And that's where I've also been really fascinated with studies around fearlessness in particular. So there's actually, I think she's a Canadian woman, SM046 is the sort of designation she has in the research, but she's literally biologically fearless. And like her amygdala, which is the fear center of the brain, you're like the neuroscience, when she was 12 turned to bone. So like calcified. And so due to a genetic condition. So and so she's biologically fearless, and it's has really interesting implications, many of which relate to sort of stuff we've already been talking about, like confidence,